What's up, guys? Welcome to Wisdom Outdoors. It is Firearms Friday here on the channel. Something a little different for you guys today. We're not doing a gun review. We're not doing a gun unboxing. I just opened this Blacksmith SFO106 gun safe. Just arrived. Awesome product. I'm in love with this thing. You got room for 5 rifles, 7 pistols, biometric to get in there, no losing the key, no forgetting the combination. So super cool product. I want to start out the video just by making sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I want you guys to get these videos, get the notifications. So I'll just wait a second. I'll let you hit that right now. Awesome. Thank you. I want to say thank you to Eric as well from Blacksmith Gunsafes. Eric got this sent out. He wanted a fair review of the safe, so I agreed to do that. I got to tell you, I'm playing this thing for a couple of days now, and I am absolutely in love with the SFO 106 Pro from Blacksmith Gunsafes. Steel housing, really well made. So I'll talk to you a bit about the safe, then I'm going to show you how to get into it. I'll show you, I already have some rifles, ammunition, different stuff in there, so I'll show you how much stuff you can fit in here. But it's made of steel. You have the option, obviously, of wall mounting it. There's also some pretty cool options where people mount it flush. If you're redoing a room, or if you have that type of space in a closet, you can set it so that the door is flush. They go ahead and give you 6 specialized bolts to get that locked in. I think I'm going to order a second one of these safes just to have it it's really a good looking safe, and I think I would look good having 2 of them. Really cool. What does biometric mean? What happens a lot of the time when there's a break-in, when you really need to defend your family? I think all too often, people hear the window break and where's the gun key? What was the combination? It's been too long since hunting season. People mess up, right? And the last thing you want to be doing is fumbling around for your keys, or searching for a code that you've forgotten in an emergency situation. Same thing if you see, a beautiful 10-point buck crossing your lawn. You probably want to get into your safe as quickly as possible. The beauty of the SFO 106 Blacksmith gun safe is your key is right here. So you're not going to be fumbling through a pair of jeans to find the key. You're not going to be asking your wife if she's seen the key in a drawer somewhere, or if she remembers your combination. You just take your thumb or any finger you want, go ahead and unlock it, and that is ready to go. You have the LED light on the inside, so she's backlit. Again, you got a pouch for a pistol, plenty of storage for ammo. There's a special pistol rack at the top. Again, I have some ammo right there today, but it also would hold 5 pistols. So super handy, really important. Protect your valuables too, I have my gold and silver coin collection in here, my family's passports, anything you want to go ahead and lock up, in the door, fits perfectly. Turkey season is fast approaching, guys. So that's it. Plenty of storage for ammo, as well as knives and 5 rifles. I have some beautiful guns in there. Plenty of room too. I just want to show you how you really can fit this in here. But have a look at that. That is the Gursan, and this is chambered in 3.5. This is a long gun, especially when I put a turkey choke on the end. So again, just keep that in mind. This will fit even with the turkey choke. Super important. You want to also protect your valuables. I had this shotgun in it earlier. I just picked this up, made around 1850 in England. So a double barrel made by a gun maker, George Willis. You really want to protect your valuables and keep them in your Blacksmith gun safe. Super important. Easy to set up. It holds 30 fingerprints. Let's say your kids are mischievous. I'm just going to go ahead and lock this. It's that easy, folks. If your son is being mischievous, or your nephew is over and they're trying to mess around with it, if they try and use the different fingerprint 3 times in a row, I believe the alarm will sound, and it was going off before. Definitely a neat feature, I think. With firearm safety, I find the best course of action with kids is to lay your guns on the table, prove everything, make sure everything is unloaded, and let the kids look, let them ask questions, let them touch your firearms. Get rid of that taboo, get the mystery out of it, and then go ahead and put them back in your safe, and that certainly will help. But this safe will actually alert you if someone's messing around. Same thing if your wife is poking around in there. If her fingerprints aren't registered, well, you'll know soon enough because it will start beeping. There's also a password feature, which is super handy as well. Again, I haven't done much bass fishing this winter, but I've been ice fishing and my thumb is kind of messed up. So really, even with a little dry skin and the fact that I've been on the ice for the last week, this thing still recognizes my thumb, still works really well. Up to 30 fingerprints, that's obviously a little overkill, but if you want 30 people or 29 other people to have access to your safe, you could certainly program that in. Comes with 2 keys as well, which is handy. Now you might be wondering, what do I do if the battery dies? Of course, they've thought about that. Blacksmith has thought about just about everything. So 1, you have a key. 2, it also has a wire that comes with it that you can go ahead and plug in to one of those little cubes and go ahead, get your safe unlocked, even if the batteries die. I obviously recommend good Energizer or Duracell batteries. I wouldn't put cheap ones in, but this thing's been working great all week. Absolutely love it. Plenty of room. Anyways, I think I'll cut to the B-roll. The most important thing, if you're interested in this safe, and this is something I'm really proud to announce, really awesome partnership with Blacksmith, is you're gonna go ahead, click that Amazon link in the description of this video, enter the coupon code Wisdom66, and I will give you 10% off this very safe from Amazon today. So I think you should go ahead and do that. Like I said, I think they look so sexy. I'm gonna order a second one and have them on either side of our bedroom. We're doing an addition and look forward to having one on his and hers gun safe to really protect our valuables. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Again, hit that subscribe button. We do this every Friday, new videos, and this is really fun. Again, click that link right now in the description of this video. Enter the coupon code Wisdom66 and make sure you pick up the Pro SFO 106 Blacksmith gun safes. Awesome, steel, well-made, quality product. I think we'll cut now to some B-roll. I'm going to show you inside and out of this thing. And anyways, just don't forget, the coupon code is going to be on the screen, Wisdom66. The link is right in the description of this video. And that is 10% off. These things are well made, beautiful steel, heavy too. I was pleasantly surprised when I brought the box in. This is a real solid safe with 6 mounting holes on the back, a ton of storage. So yeah, let's check it out. Awesome, guys. All right, guys, I wanted to show you a close-up inside from the beginning. She is locked. Let's go ahead and unlock, open it up. Amazing. Look at the quality of this product. It's not thin, right? It's really heavy-duty steel. These, you could not cut through those with a recip saw. Really, really well made. I love the carpeted almost finish. Inside, these racks are fully adjustable. Again, 5 rifles, up to 7 pistols. In the back here, I'll try and show you. There is an adjustable pistol rack, which you can move up and down, which will keep your 5 pistols in line. What do I have in here? I got the 6.5 Creedmoor, harvested my deer with that in November. We got the 300 Win Mag, 180 grain. Those will knock you down. We got the family's passports. Very, very cool. And again, that LED light feature is super handy to be able to see what's going on if you're in an emergency situation. These are the keys. I wanted to show you the keys too. So they're really well made, nice keys. And you certainly have that option as well of just sliding this down and going ahead and locking that manually too. So you have a ton of options. And Blacksmith, this is a beautiful, beautiful safe, excellent quality product. And just go ahead, hit that link, brings you right to Amazon. Do not forget the coupon code Wisdom66. Hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. Hit me up in the comments. And happy hunting, guys. Happy shooting. Be safe.